Shots fired. Shots fired. Fuck. What is your deal, bro? Send somebody back here. I just try to get robbed.
I'm looking to rob you.
What's your name?
Mark.
What?
Mark.
Send cars to me. Somebody's trying to rob me. Call 911.
Where?
That's my baby daddy! Did you just shoot my baby daddy?
He's trying to rob me. Get me back here. I got somebody showing up. Stay back. There's a gun. Stay back.
Baby daddy, my son's in the car!
Okay.
Did you just shoot my baby daddy? Did you shoot my
Get on the
baby
main channel.
daddy?
Stop. Get back now. Get back now.
I have no weapon.
Okay,
to
get
shoot
back.
me. But where's he shot? Where's he shot?
Right here, Prill. Right here.
Did you call an ambulance?
They're getting it out.
Did you call an ambulance? Mark, is he dead? Did you call an ambulance?
That's Mom.
That's my son's in the back of the car. That's my baby daddy. I know it has
On the front
nothing.
channel, just turn off.
Ma'am, stand over here.
Which way they go?
Hey, is there anything?
Mark!
He's down. Start EMS this location.
Is he done?
He's mad. Check on him.
All right. I can't stand next to
Which street are you on?
Stand over here. Stand over here. We're gonna try to help him. Stand over here. We're in the rear address. What's that?
Baby!
What's his name?
Baby, his name is Mark.
Mark
That's
what?
my
We're
name,
in a
Mark
north-south
Jaggers.
alley
Do what?
between,
Mark
I think
Jaggers.
it's
Mark
Owen
Jaggers?
and
Is
Garfield.
he done? Can I please
See,
stay
well, we're
next
getting
to him?
EMS started.
Can I please stay next to him?
No, stay back because we got a
Is there
gun right here.
anybody
He's
else
gonna
on
get EMS
Will
over
you
here.
touch it? I don't want it. Will you
We gotta
move
leave it where it is.
That's my
I
baby
think he
daddy.
said one ran off.
Please.
Didn't get it.
Please.
Negative. Only one accounted for it. Get EMS over here.
Please.